Chapter 540, the carbon footprint by life cycle analysis of river and marine plastics. We thank Everwave for their authorization to use their photos and videos. We want to run through the standard, the scope, the inventory, the effect analysis, and the conclusions. We start with the scope. We want to analyze river and marine plastics. We want to examine transport, energy, chemical agents, water consumption, heat, energy, etc. We want to understand the effects of transport, of energy, mechanical energy, low or high-tech energy, and the conclusions are also on the macroeconomic level. We try to find out by examples what this means. These examples are given by the company Everwave, and we use extracts from their photos and videos. So in the input quality, we look what they have as river and marine plastics. We understand their transport ways. We look into low and high tech aspects. At the end of the day, we look into full infrastructure or end of pipe solutions. So let's start with the scope. What does Everwave do? They are an NGO working on river waste in different countries, and they collect and sort this river waste. For example, input, that is waste generated during the recycling, is also part of the materials. They are co-processed in cement industry to use them in efficient way. So they have two outputs: recycling materials and mixed up materials that reuse fuel. The second point of the standard is the inventory. What are the kind of energies that you use? What are the resources that you use? And we come to an interesting example concerning the transport that Everwave does, because they do not bring the river waste to a central sorting plant, but they have developed the idea of a local mobile sorting container in which they do the sorting on site. The situation is here that the transport is less than 1 kilometer from the collection point, and in this way the picking station joins the collection location. Very little energy is used by this picking station. The next point in the standard concerns the effect analysis. So we want to underline the effect of used technologies. Here we use simple and local solutions called low technology. That means we have manual collections, people that are going into the fields, the mangroves, the riverbanks that collect the waste. Everwave uses little collection boats, and also a river boom made out of bamboo. These river booms protect the downstream water from the waste that is collected in the booms. And last but not least, we have very simple transport systems, as you see here in the picture. The conclusions is the last part of the norm. Everwave considers that it is even better to collect on the riverbank, to collect it from such a station. They build it up by recycled wood, and it would be easier to collect it in this way.